Hi everyone, so I am back with another unboxing video. I am really hoping my mom doesn't stumble upon this video or I will be grounded. Don't attach your card with Temu. Don't. This is my 12th parcel of the week, and seriously, I am repeating, do not attach your card with Temu or else you will be losing all your savings. Anyways, so today this massive package arrived from Temu, and for a second I was like, what in the online shopping world did I even order? And then it hit me. This glorious oversized package is for none other than His Royal Highness Tiger, my pet cat, lol. Well, guys, this unpacking process is my favorite. And by the way, this is not unpacking, this is grand unveiling. Can you really guess what I ordered for my pet cat? Well, let's see. Firstly, I would like to rate this store 10 out of 10 for packaging, because whatever is inside this package is very safe. As you can see, it's properly wrapped in bubble wrap. So here we go. I bought this extra large cat carrier bag from Temu for Tiger, and trust me guys, this costed me rupees 1500 only. Normally it cost you around 4000 to 5000 rupees in Pakistani market, but from Temu I got it for only rupees 1500, and it was on flat 80% discount. So I quickly availed this offer. This pet carrier bag in black is quite spacious, and Tiger can definitely fit into it for sure. The fabric of the bag is breathable, and see how I am unfolding the back side of the bag. Trust me, not much of the fixing is required. You just need to slowly and gradually unfold every corner of the backpack like this, the way I am doing. So you have to follow each and every step that I am showing you to get the final reveal. While I'm unfolding, check the extra holes and nets for the better airflow. There were no dents or dings on the bag at all since it was delivered in proper packaging. Also, the bag looks very durable, and see, the zip works really well. So basically, I'm going to rate this cat carrier backpack 10 out of 10 for quality, for durability, for packaging, and everything else. So here is the final reveal of this backpack. Look at the zip again, how smoothly it moves, just like the butter. And oh, I forgot to show you the bottom pad. So this is a very essential part of the backpack. You can see how I'm placing it. The white part is going to come on the top. This needs to be placed in the bottom of the backpack. You must be wondering the purpose of this pad inside the backpack. Well, if in case your pet peas inside the backpack, to avoid any leakage, this pad is placed in the bottom of the backpack. Now it's time to peel off this protective plastic so Mr. Tiger can have a clear outside view of the world. And now for the ultimate test, let's get Tiger in the bag. Tiger is not usually very adaptive to new things, so he was not excited with the bag and he was constantly scratching it, but I'm sure he will get used to it slowly. So there you have it, my honest review of this fantastic Temu find, the pet carrier backpack. This product is seriously convenient to carry, and from my side I highly recommend it for traveling. You can sling it on your back just like I did. It's a backpack style basically. So all the weight was divided on my shoulders, and I think I can walk miles with this backpack while having Tiger inside. Also, you can wear it on the front like this. Hope this video was very informative for you. Do check out the description for more details about this store, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you. Bye.